Zubeen Garg, and all of us we know him. He is a famous singer and study. Unfortunate incident happened in Singapore, and then he passed away. The whole state mourns, the whole country mourns for him, and so also to their students. The best way to pay homage is to be present in the school and then pay homage. We all cannot go to Guwahati to pay respect to his body, but naturally we can do it in our own school, and that's why I thought maybe we will have the exam also, and plus we will have the opportunity together to pay homage to this great singer and composer of our country. And I have put it here, a voice of a generation. Here's a voice that nobody can forget. The songs that he sang, still jubilate. It makes everyone happy. His hometown is Jorhat, Assam. His mother is a singer and father is a poet and a dramatic. So that is, and he had sung in many languages. Assamese happened to be his main language. Then Hindi, Bengali, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Nepali, and many more. So he became more famous with the Gangster in 2006, where Ya Ali, the famous song that he composed, and with that he became. Also, he had acted in many movies, and became famous. He was an influence to many youngsters in many issues that came up in Assam, and he is an icon that all the youth follows. From yesterday, the moment the news was announced, there was people already paying homage. The shops were closed, and they had prayer service. And so today we also like to have prayer service in our school, led by me. After which the two teachers, one male and one female teachers, they will also come, and they will also pay homage, followed by the head boy and head girl. Okay, we will light the candle now.